Hi, it's time for Timebox hacks again. Today I want to show you a new program. I'm using the RFO Basic and this is the app. I'm not going to the details of this app because I have showed this in my previous video already. I will put a link in the description and you can check it out. My new program is called Timebox, and you can see at the top here I defined the Timebox directory where I got the images from. It's called Timebox Upload. I will explain the reason behind this later. Let's try to run it first. So you can already see these are the images found in the directory. There are only 3, and let's connect to the Bluetooth first. Connected, and there's a small menu, play or quit, and there's something about myself. Let's play the image, and this is the first image, and in few seconds it will go to the next image. At the moment, for some reason the Bluetooth is disconnected. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens. So let's do it again. This is the first image. Now it works. Go to the next image. That's the skull. There's a cross fading in between. And it will go to the third image. And this is the last image. And it will start from the beginning. So that's all the program doing. I can touch it here and run it again or create. So one thing I want to show you is this is the Timebox app I'm using. I'm using the version 2.2.1. I hope the directory won't change in other version. So if I go to the gallery, you can see there are 3 images here, and so these are the animation which I'm not using it, but this is not actually the directory I'm getting the image from. If I go to the file manager, go to here, search for Timebox directory, here Timebox, and the upload directory. You can see there are more than 3 images. Here are the images. There's have a very small size, 1, 2, 3 here. That's the last one, skull. The reason I'm getting the image from here, because I don't know where other places I can get the image. I don't know exactly where the image is saved. I want to show you what I mean by this. Let's go to design, create something, and save, test. Okay, the image is saved, and if I go to gallery, it's here. But the problem is, if I go to file manager, it's not here. So I have no idea where the image is saved. The only way I can get the image is upload it. And after upload, come back to here. You can see test is here. And if I run the basic program, play. So this is the first one, the second one, and this is the new one I just created. So because it's in the upload directory, it can pick up. So let's stop it. Quit. Now I want to show you one more thing. If I don't want to do my design, I can get it from cloud. For example, if I choose the cheeseburger, so save name, save cheeseburger. Now if I go to my local here, the cheeseburger is here. Again, if I go to the file manager, the cheeseburger is not here. So what I have to do is upload it. Then you can see the cheeseburger is here. So let's try the basic program again. Run, play. So you can see cheeseburger is showing here as the first one because it starts with C. And after a few seconds, show the next one, and so on. For some reason I got disconnected at the beginning. So, but now it seems to be very stable. You can download the basic program to try it. The details about the Bluetooth messaging I've already explained in my previous video. You can also check out the link. I hope you find this video useful. And if you like this, click on the thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.